Good afternoon, Sam Cagman here, and we're going over the next speed and agility drill for a 16-week Marine Corps program. So the one that I picked is a sled push to a sprint transition. The purpose of this is working on your power and acceleration, which is working on your lower legs, your lower body for your stability as well as your leg drive. Okay, the other thing is a transition from being able to move a load for an extended period of time and then go to where you need to go. So this is very effective when it comes to Marine Corps training, because in the fight there's a possibility that you're going to have to pick up a heavy load or say a casualty, move them to a new spot, drop them down, and then you're going to have to burst, get that quick transition into where a new spot is that you're going to have to be. So my motivated Marine down here, what we have set up is we have a sled that has a 25-pound plate, which is what he's going to be pushing, and it's going to be pushed for up to 15-20 yards, and then he's going to transition out of the sled push into a sprint all the way down to the end of the cone. Some of the key things that we're going to be looking for as a coach is their arms locked tight. Okay, are they at a 45-degree angle, and are they keeping their core tight? That's one of the setup procedures. As well as when they're doing that sled push, is their drive, are they actually using their feet, their leg drive effectively? Or are they just chalking their steps and not getting any type of force to move that weight? Then the other thing that you're going to be looking for is when they're transitioning from the sled push to the sprint, are they still in that 45-degree position, or are they moving upright and still maintaining that arm swing in order to propel them all the way to the front? And then again, the natural things that you get with a speed and agility is, are their knees buckling? That could show that there's some type of knee injury. Or their ankles, are they rolling, especially when you're in sneakers? Those are the other things. Then as you can see, we're in the military uniform called boots and utes. So when you're doing such things in boots and utes, notice that the movements are going to be a little bit slower because of the amount of weight, and also the clothing itself is going to be more restrictive. And then when it comes to using boots and utes, if you're doing some type of 16-week program, you should only be doing them around 1 to 2 times a week. This is not something that you should be doing all the time, because it does put a lot of wear and tear on the individual's body. So we're going to get started. So I'm going to give them the preparatory information. So I'm going to put arms on the sled, arms locked, 45 degrees, core tight, go. He's going to drive, having that effective power. He's going to transition, keeping it all the way through. Okay, so that is just showing the sled push to transition into a speed sprint. And the reason that we do this is to work on that leg drive, that power and acceleration, into the transition of creating a burst. Thank you.